Example. So you're on a trip, your husband's luggage made it, yours didn't. So what do? This is a regular, boring, gray men's shirt, okay? So I'm gonna show you, for the girls, what you can do with it. Oh, I didn't mean it like this, I'm sorry.
No, I love those.
Disclaimer, there's nothing wrong with gray shirts that you wear. So this is what I do, okay?
Is it yours?
I wrap it around like this.
I have many like.
Without a single seam, mind you. So you have somewhere to go, your luggage didn't come, so you just button this button, you button this button. That depends on your, how risky you want it. So let's say you want it to be risky. So then you have these sleeves hanging around, right? So why not tie them here in a half bow. What do we have here? A cool skirt! Can you imagine? Is that comme des garçons? Yes. Can you imagine? You even have... Wait a tick, wait a tick. No way. No way. Your hands are free, go to the party. What an amazing skirt, right? Right?